Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting posture and input, and you do this with intent. Sit with knees apart or stand with one leg slightly forward so the pelvis tilts. This opens the exit. Once done, relax your pelvic floor, breathe slowly, and tense the lower abdomen briefly to move gas toward the rectum. Make sure to time this after meals that increase intestinal gas. That's why you ate those foods earlier. Practice short, controlled exhales between attempts to avoid straining. Now you focus on the mechanics that create volume and tone. Contract your lower abs sharply, like a brief cough, to push a concentrated burst of gas out. This increases pressure and sound. At the same time, experiment with tightening the anal sphincter just before release, then easing. That modulation changes frequency and loudness. Also, adjust torso angle and hip position to narrow the exit path. A smaller aperture converts pressure into louder noise. Practice short repetitions to learn responses. To finish, you settle the body and evaluate results. Breathe out gently and relax the pelvic floor so nothing gets trapped. If the sound was weak, try quicker, more forceful abdominal contractions and slightly narrow the sphincter on release to boost resonance. Conversely, if you feel pain or tension, stop, hydrate, and reduce aggressive attempts. Comfort matters. If problems persist, change posture, wait for more gas to build from food timing, and repeat cautiously so you learn what consistently works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.